Now, kung nakikipagkaibigan ka sa mga ganitong klaseng tao,
Huwag mo na gawin yan.
trust me, you are in grave danger.
Di mo yan kaya.
Sabi ni John Rawls, who was a prominent philosopher noong 20th century, a bad man desires arbitrary power, and what moves the evil man is the love of injustice. Arbitrary power means walang limitasyon, walang rules, at walang accountability. A bad person craves for this kind of unchecked control para magawa ang gusto nila kahit na mali. But Rawls takes it even further. Sabi niya, what makes a truly evil person is the love of injustice. Hindi lang daw sila gumagawa ng masama, they actually enjoy doing it. At they thrive kapag nakakasakit sila ng ibang tao, especially when they pull people down. Now, think about it. Meron ka bang naiisip na isang tao na ginagawa ito? Maybe it's time for you to stop hanging around with that person. Listen, life is hard enough without surrounding yourself with people na hinihila ka pababa. The truth is, those people who thrive in injustice will only drown you in their chaos. I guess you deserve better. Because at the end of the day, the people around you don't just influence your life, they define it. So, tanungin mo ang sarili mo. Are the people na nasa circle mo ay sinusuportahan ka ba pataas? Or baka hinihila ka pababa? And choose wisely because baka dito na nakataya ang buhay mo sa pagpili ng tamang kaibigan na either iiwan ka sa ere or ikaw ay susuportahan.